Shentel full review, features, strengths, weaknesses. Links to Shentel plans and pricing are in the description, so make sure to check them out if you're interested. Now let's dive into the review. Shentel is a regional internet service provider offering fast, reliable broadband with a focus on fiber optic and cable internet services in select areas. It's designed for residential and small business customers in rural and suburban locations who may not have access to the big national providers. Shentel offers speeds ranging from 50 Mbit to 1 Gbps with no data caps, making it a solid choice for both light users and those who need high bandwidth for activities like streaming, gaming, and remote work. One of the standout features is Shentel's gigabit internet option, which is perfect for users needing ultra-fast, reliable connections. Let's talk about the strengths. One of the key benefits of Shentel is its availability in underserved areas. It fills the gap for customers in more rural or suburban locations where major ISPs often don't reach. Speeds up to 1 Gbps make it competitive with some of the top-tier providers, providing fast internet for a variety of needs, whether for multiple device connections or HD streaming. Additionally, Shentel has flexible plans with a straightforward pricing structure, so you won't be hit with unexpected fees. Customer service is highly rated with helpful support available via phone or chat. However, there are some weaknesses to consider. Shentel's service is still limited to certain regions, so it's important to check if it's available in your area. While their fiber offerings are great, users in more remote areas may have to rely on cable connections, which can be slower and less reliable. Also, some users may find Shentel's pricing to be higher compared to national providers, though the benefits of local service and fiber speeds often justify the price. Overall, Shentel is a solid choice for those in rural or suburban areas looking for reliable, high-speed internet, especially for those in need of fiber optic service. Check out the links in the description for more information, and if this review helped, don't forget to like and subscribe for more in-depth reviews.